I originally called Guardian Roofing due to a minor leak in what I thought was in the roof. As it turned out, they did a complete inspection, took pictures, gave me a little video of it, and had actually discovered that it wasn't really the roof, but the roof jacks, the vent pipes that come up through the top of your roof, causing a little bit of a leak into our bathroom. So I called Guardian because they had actually been recommended by a friend of mine. They came out, they were on time, they did a great inspection and provided me with lots of information and options about what we could do. So that's how I got started with Guardian Roofing. It started out as having them work on a leak, and I ended up also having them put screens on the gutters, which really helped out. And we spent the entire winter without any clogging in the gutters. Everything was great. So I would highly recommend their services. The rates were very reasonable. They were exact, and they stand behind the work that they do. Terrific company, and I will recommend them. And actually this morning I recommended you to my neighbor across the street who was starting to do some work on his gutters and roofs. So yeah, they're a terrific company. I highly recommend them.